The Undefeated X Nike Air Max 95 SP GEO in black, pearl gray, light chocolate, and neon yellow is a rare collaboration limited to only 600 pairs, released exclusively in New York. This special edition highlights the Air Max 95's iconic layered look, using a mix of soft mesh and textured suede and smooth gray gradients for a clean, dimensional effect. Neon yellow details brighten the upper, popping through the lace loops, visible air unit, and heel embroidery. The Undefeated branding adds a subtle shine, standing out against the brushed suede overlays. The black midsole and partly neon outsole shift in appearance depending on your angle, giving the shoe a dynamic feel with every step. Inside, you'll find a vivid lime sockliner and an insole stamped with New York City and its unique serial number, proving its limited release. Inspired by the Air Max 95's 1990s roots, this pair blends Undefeated style with NYC energy, making it a true collectible.